Special welcome to our guest, Noel Lorenzana, CPA. How's it going, Noel?
Great. Thanks for having me, Mark. I appreciate being here.
Happy you came out today. And the reason why we have you here today is to go over just a few questions, some accounting questions that I think are very relevant at this time because it's tax season. We touch on those questions. If you will, would you mind kind of talking a little bit about yourself, your background?
Sure. I am an Illinois licensed CPA. I have 4 years of public accounting experience with a local CPA firm and 17 years of experience in private industry with a specialty food wholesaler, direct importer, Philippine Food Corporation.
Wow.
So I am Filipino.
Oh, you beat me to it. Okay. So thank you for that. The first question that I've got for you is, what is the number one question that you get as a CPA?
That's a great question. You know, the number one question I get asked as a CPA is, Noel, how do I reduce my taxes? And in my opinion, the best way to reduce your taxes is to contribute to a retirement account, like a 401k from your job or an individual retirement account, an IRA. Simply put, the money you put into these accounts is tax deferred or pre-tax, meaning there is no tax paid up front. You pay the tax when you take the money out, and the earnings on that money is tax deferred. So in real world numbers, if you contributed $5,000 to a retirement account, and presuming you're at the 25% tax bracket, that's an effective tax savings of $1,250 at the federal level, and at the state level, about $300 tax savings.
Wow, and over time, that's pretty significant.
Sure, and you have the money for your benefit, for your financial future.
Wow, okay. Why should people consider reaching out to a licensed professional like yourself, a CPA, versus going to, you know, an individual enroller or possibly doing it on their own?
Sure, yeah, no, that's a great question. Let's face it, anyone can prepare their own taxes. Anyone can do taxes, including individuals who have absolutely no experience using software like TurboTax or other online services, but is that really the best choice considering the possibility of errors, missed deductions, missed tax credits, and the big thing is audit risks. For example, I just sat down with a business client, and as a courtesy, I was reviewing his personal tax return, and I was really surprised because I found over $20,000 in missed tax deductions, $2,000 in missed tax credits, and a few other errors that he really should fix by amending his tax return. So in my opinion, if you want your taxes done right, you really should hire a licensed tax preparer that's a CPA like myself or an enrolled agent. Everybody else is technically unlicensed. And as far as the tax franchise companies, personally I would avoid those. They charge a lot. You get, their employees are typically part-time seasonal employees who don't do taxes as their primary line of work. So just my opinion there.
Right. And just to let you guys know, I mean, I definitely agree. Going with a CPA is much better than going with, you know, some of these franchises. So thank you so much for coming and talking to our audience here. And if they wanted to reach out to you because they have other questions, or if they wanted to hire you as their CPA, where can they contact you?
Great. You can reach me at my website at lorenzanatax.com or by telephone at 847-780-6635.
Reach out to him. He's the expert. And thank you for your time. Hopefully this helped you guys out. Thank you.